Yes, hello, good day everyone. Today we will be having our problem on the moment of force and under the topic of under static of rigid bodies. So the problem says that the cable AB carries the tension of 400 Newton. Determine the moment about 0 or O about O of this tension as applied to point A of the cylinder bar. So this is the cable. This is cable AB. So may tension daw siya doon na 400 Newton. 400 Newton. And then kukunin natin yung moment about O. Okay, yung moment about O, kung ano ba yung moment dyan. So yung nakikita nating paraan is transfer natin yung O o yung load or yung tension dito. Tapos kailangan alam natin to para makuha natin yung component niya sa Y at saka component niya sa X. Okay. Tapos pag mag-take tayo ng moment dito sa O is hindi na natin kailangan itong Y kasi wala siyang moment arm. Kasi nakarekta siya dyan sa ating moment of action. So, yung kailangan lang natin yung PX lang. Itong 400. Kaya lang, kailangan natin masolve yung theta. So, masosolve natin yung theta dito. Yung theta na yan is masosolve din natin dito. So, this is your Y and this is your D. And then, project mo, ito yung Y. So, 650, ito yung 650 minus Y, yun yung magiging distance mo dito. And then, tangent, apply the tangent, opposite over the hypotenuse, makukuha natin yung tangent. Okay, so simulan na natin. Okay. So, andyan tayo. Okay. And yung unang gagawin natin is kunin natin itong triangle. Yan. So, this is Y. This is D. Okay. So, sine 30. Kami tayo ng block. Sine 30, that is equal to Y over 500. So, yung Y natin is 500 times sine 30. That is 250 mm. And then cosine of 30, that is D over 500. So D, that is equal to 433.0127 mm. Okay, yun yung magiging natin. Ito yung D. Dito naman tayo para makuha natin yung theta sa triangle na yan. Okay. So, ilan ba to? This would be 400. That would be 400. Ito naman yung D. D pa din yan. So, apply the tangent. Tangent is 400 over D. D yan na, D. Okay. Tangent theta, that is equal to 400 over D. Yung D is 433.0127. So, tangent is equal to, ilan ba to? 42.731 degree. Okay. So, tandaan nyo tong theta na yan. Yun yung magiging gamit natin dito. Tapos, ngayon, pwede na natin i-transfer itong load natin dito. Okay. Yun. Okay, so yung kukunin natin, ito na lang. No? Huwag na natin itong kunin. So, ulitin natin, or your theta, ilan ba yung theta ulit natin, is 42.731 degree. Okay. So, kunin natin ito. Kunin natin yung triangle na yan. Gawa tayong free body diagram. So, our free body diagram is ganito. This would be our 400, and this is our py, this is our px, so this is for our theta. Yung px natin is papunta din doon. Okay, yun. Okay na, so wag na natin isolve yung py, yung px na lang, so that is cosine theta is equal to 400, your px pala, px over 400. Yun, kasi hypotenuse pala yung 400. So, px is equal to 400 cosine of 42.731 degree. So, our px is equal to 293.819 Newton. And then, kuha tayo ng moment. Yung moment natin is, I will assume, mula dito papunta doon. So, ibig sabihin, yung px ko is kumukontra. So, that is negative. So, moment, that's negative px. I mean. Yung d natin is 650. Yung distance natin is 0.65 meters. Ito yun. No? Kasi ito yung angle, ang ikot natin. Yan, sumasalungat itong px. Hindi na natin kailangan ito kasi wala siyang moment arm. Kasi 0 yan. Okay. So, ibig sabihin is px negative 293.819 times 0.65. The moment at O is equal to negative 190.98 Newton meter. Okay, bakit naging negative? So, ibig sabihin kasi, dapat pala yung ikot is papunta doon. So, counterclockwise pala yung ikot natin. So, our moment at 0 at O is 190.98 Newton meter counterclockwise. So, ito yung sagot natin sa problem na ito. Okay.